Hey guys, this is TechX, and today we're going to be taking a look, reviewing just a little bit more about what this Ender 3 can do. So before we hop into the video, let's take a look at the quick intro. Hey guys, alright, so thank you so much for tuning back in. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, so thank you for kind of checking back in and seeing where I'm at. I really do enjoy uploading these videos. It's just, got a lot of stuff to do, and this summer's still going to be kind of busy, so I just wanted to get something out to you guys. Just like a fun video just to kind of see as an experiment what we can do. So if you remember this is the Ender 3, the Creality Ender 3. So this is a solid printer. It's got aluminum extrusions. It's bolted together really well. It's just a great printer. It's a budget-friendly printer. So you guys can test this too if you have one of these. But it really doesn't matter the printer. The idea here is can we take it? Can we take the printer and print something, but then while it's printing, turn it upside down, and will the quality still come out the same, or will it totally screw up? So we're gonna take a look at that, and we're just gonna run the Benchy, just the 3D Benchy, real simple print, and just gonna see if the layers stick together. Just gonna kind of take a look at all sorts of different uh, results that this might produce. So let's without further ado, let's get into it. Cue the time lapse. Okay, guys, so the results are in. As you can see by the time lapse, it was a pretty epic build. Nothing really spectacular, like nothing really happened during the build, but it was just the fact that it just came out so nicely, and it's kind of hard to tell. But the layer lines, it looks exactly like a Benchy I would get off of the printer. The printer just sitting up like that. Like that's how crazy good it is. If anything, maybe the overhangs are a little bit better, but beyond that, that's pretty much it. Like it's I'm speechless, really. It's just this was printed upside down, like that. It's crazy cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'll leave a link to the Benchy file if you want to download it. Most of you guys have probably seen that. I'll also leave a link to the printer down below. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments, please. And yeah, this was just an awesome build. So thank you so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe if you like it. or ring the notification bell. Maybe hit the like if you like it. Just let me know if you want to see more videos like this. So thank you guys so much. Really enjoyed it. Had so much fun. So see you guys.